How's it going, guys? Mick here. Now in today's video what I'm going to be doing is fitting side splitters to my M135i. So most of you would have seen, if you're a returning viewer slash subscriber, you would have seen like on my 4 Series I had the full length splitter, so you'd have the bits that actually go onto the side of the bumper along with the splitter that attaches at the bottom. So with this car, what I'm going to go for at the moment is the side splitters. So it's just the bits that actually attach to the bumper. I may down the line go with like a full length splitter, so the bit that attaches to the bottom, but you know, we'll see about that. So here it is, the part. So I've just took one of them out of the box. As usual, links will be left in the description as to where you can get these from. I did buy these from AliExpress, were pretty cheap as well. So what these would do, they'll just hook straight onto the bumper, and they're held on by 3M tape, just like the one on my 4 Series. So yeah, it's just pretty decent. Gives the car a more aggressive look. It breaks it up with the gloss black as well, because I'm not a big fan of carbon like that. So yeah, let's just go and get these fitted, and then I'll probably shoot some B-roll as well as usual. So yeah, let's go.
Okay, I'm back out fresh on the scene. Franchise best on the team. Blue faces busting out the scene. New life is something like a dream. Back out fresh on the scene. Franchise best on the team. Blue faces busting out the scene. New life is something like a dream. New life is something like a dream.
Yes guys, finally complete. So as you would have seen in the before and after shots, you would have seen the difference. Now, damn, he's looking a lot better. 100% better. The fitment is perfect as well. It's brilliant. On both sides as well. It's amazing, man. And for what? I got these for around £25. It just, yeah, it changes the car. It makes it look more aggressive. Just makes it stick out more as well. I really like it. Now that I'm seeing this, I don't even know if I'm gonna go with the full, what's it called? The full splitter. Look at that. Look at that. That is amazing. I'm so happy with that. Once again, another AliExpress product for the wins. Oh, look at it. Yeah guys, what it is, I'm going to leave it at that. It's a nice and short video, quick install. Just reminds me of the good old days, man, the 4 Series. But yeah, guys, if you like the video, please give it a like. Consider subscribing, sharing the video as well. Boost me back up, and I've got a few videos coming as well, so yeah, it's looking good. But yeah guys, I'll see you in the next one.